Hey guys, so today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button. And apparently I'm a zombie. In this, we join a server which zombies roam the city. And I am one of them. Let's eat them brains. Is that a zombie? Or it's a, okay, it's a normal person. I did make him zombie because of this timer that's there. Okay. Everyone's getting smaller. How did this guy not get smaller? I'm so tiny. I'm running around. I'm still running around, but I'm slower. Bye. Is someone trying to kill me? Okay, someone was trying to kill me. Yeah, it's fine. I'll just take another corner to stand up for myself. I'm not afraid of heights. Oh, there you go. Okay, I wish I had the sword in my inventory. I'm the sword in this inventory. That's visible. Oh gosh, someone's trying to kill me. Someone's trying to kill me. Okay, phew. Okay, let's go. Bacon. Oh, we're fighting with laser guns now. Where's the tall platform? Okay. Let me shoot people. How did I not kill this person? Okay, this person's dead. This person's not dead. Oh, we both are dead. Okay, that's funny to know. Okay, I want to see what's happening in there. Okay, I don't have one. Okay, there. Okay, so it's just two people run. Oh, that was cheesy. Okay. Okay. The buttons on the button of fire. Oh, someone already took the extinguisher. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a tree. So I think the max in this game is like the ultimate 36 or the golden 36, I think. But anyways, I'm still winning this thing. What? No. Oh, okay, I'm still winning this thing, I think. Okay. 33? I think I'm getting 33 or 32 or 31. I really don't know. Or 30. 30. Oh, someone got 33. Right, I know I'm not winning that thing. Oh my god, the fact that was lagging. Oh, bombs. Bombs are coming out of the sky. That's close. Okay, how to stay at the edge. I'll spawn some noobs. Why not? Okay, there. My noob army. I'll spawn some money on noobs. And I'll create some new ones. Okay, noobs get paid. Oh, it's a lava spinner. Okay, I'm dead. Noob army! Distract the survivors. Okay. I'm gonna fake. Oops, I put in this. I did not mean to. Okay, let's put a clown on. Yes! Good job, my noob army. Okay, I pressed the button. No, I didn't press the button. Okay. 1, 2, back on my cue. Okay, this is it. This is not it. I'm gonna fall. I'm not gonna fall. Where is the cube tilting? Here, I guess. No, there. No, it's up here. Okay, the cube is tilting to this. Okay, the cube is tilting back up. Where is it gonna go now? Guess this. I really don't know. Okay, we're still playing spinning cube even though the timer is out. Okay. That's a lot of winners. Okay, I want I want to try glitching here. Oh, there am I. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm on a phone platform. Okay. This is easy so far. I'm just standing on this. Okay, I have to move. Oh, I have to move again. I have to move again. I have to move again. Okay, I don't have to move. I fell. I fell out of the world while I was sitting. So here is a fun quirky twerk. Okay. I'm moving. That was close. I'm on the short boxes. I'm sure I can jump on them, but not these tall ones like this. I'm just chilling in this spot. Yeah, like this one you can jump, but I decided not to. Quite close to the edge. I gotta be careful. Okay, never mind. I'm not careful. Come on, Noob Army! Bros just fell in the lava. Box. Bro, I was out. I was out of the thing. What the frick? Oh, laser fight. No, I'm in a bad spot. No. Oh shoot! I can't shoot. Bro, I was tapping. It didn't even work. Okay, let me join another server. Maybe the server is a bit broken. Okay, we're joining another. I'll press the button server. Let's see, will there be a barrel game? Oh, it's a gift. It's gifts. I'm good at this one, but I won't be in it. I think the winner would have 9. Seriously? Oh, 10. Or 10. 10, yes. Oh, yellow near 9. I usually get like 14 or 13 in this. Snow pile! Come on, give me some snow piles. I see one. No, I saw one, but I didn't take it. Come on, give me it. I did not take snow. Okay. Bro, okay. Snow pile. Okay, 3 people saw that. Including me. Snow pile. Snow pile! What? No, how many snow piles? Gosh, I don't think I'm... Oh, I am. 40! Nice. Okay, it is red like green light, so easy. Imagine losing to this game. Oh shoot! That was a lot of deaths. Am I the only one? Okay, luckily. Oh, I was not the only one. I don't know about now. I'll check when I cross this line. Oh, there's one more. Pro. Come on. Get on the time. Okay, we are the only 2 that are not L's. Okay. Question mark. Okay, let's see. 4, 1, 4. 4, 1, 4, 1. Easy as that. I see 1, 4, 4, 1. Oh, I was near the yellow one, so I'll just go to the yellow one. Hey, Zenly. Noob army. What the? Okay. Come on, noob army, distract them. Okay, it's distracting people. The green one will not fall. The red one will. Okay. Noob army. Actually, I don't think red will fall, but whatever. Okay, they're not being tricked by a noob. Oh, some people are being tricked by noobs. Yes, red is small. Bro, I didn't even survive. How did I press the button? What? Or did I? Why are there some? Why did I do that? Okay. Coil stunts. Okay. Survival tip. The best way to go is left. Okay. Best way, right this time. Okay. Another survival. How did I? Okay. Another survival tip. Don't die. Okay. Okay. Best is right. Just jump over the spinner. Okay. I wonder if I'm the first because I have 4. Okay. This time the best is left. But I died. Okay. It doesn't matter. Because I still have the most, I think. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'm assuming it will just okay, look at it. Good. You didn't backstab me. I made it in 12 seconds. Come on, climb. Okay, now let's climb this tree. Okay, someone else made it. Okay, now to get on top. Seriously? Only 2? Yay, yay, I got to the top of that thing. Oh, shoot, the button's failed. I don't know where the button is. Oh, it is random. Okay, I'm not, I found it. I found it. It was right here. I'll stand on the button. Yep, it was here. Spleef. Shoot, people are running towards me.